guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm actually going to be doing another oil change on my Porsche Cayman S and a bunch of other stuff going on. So one of the things I really love about the new house I'm having built is going to have a 3-car garage, and I'm definitely getting a lift. So when it comes to doing oil changes, I can just pull it right up onto that lift, raise it up, get underneath, and just do what I need to do. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So convenient. And if you didn't see in the last video, I got a custom side skirt and added the neon yellow and custom front splitter, which looks absolutely insane. I'm just absolutely loving this so much. So definitely go check out Mad Matt, who was the one that actually fabricated these, as well as my crazy rear diffuser. But I'm going to go ahead and get this thing jacked up so I can go ahead and pretty much get started on the oil change. Alright, so now the car's all jacked up, we can actually get a really good view of this crazy diffuser that Mad Matt made. Which before, all that was just completely open because I had to cut out the bottom of the bumper to do the split exhaust when it was a central exhaust. So you can see where pretty much the transmission was all exposed, so this covers everything under the car and it just looks so good. Alright, so I do want to go ahead and point out, this is not a how to do an oil change on a 981. If you want to see that, there's actually going to be a link down in the description down below where I actually did my previous oil change in this car, and I have the whole how-to video, everything I use, all the different products like the K&N oil filter. So I have all that stuff, where to get it, what to do. So definitely go down if you're looking for that, link in the description down below. For this video, it's just more of like a kind of update and all the other kind of stuff on my 981S. Alright, so just ignore the fact that this whole thing's super dirty. It just rained like yesterday and I had to drive through, and it rained a little bit this morning, but the main thing I need to do is right up here. You see the bolt right there, and then there's the other bolt right there. That is actually the chassis mount from the bash bar that pretty much comes out and has a plate that goes across the whole back. And so you might have clicked on the video for the thumbnail and the title. So what that is that's exactly where the wing is actually going to mount onto. Alright, so now I just measured from pretty much the mounting point here to the mounting point over here, which is 33 inches. So whenever I get on there and tell them exactly where to like put the mounts to on the wing, it's going to be 33 inches across, so that's going to be awesome. It's going to be essentially for this car, it's going to be insane. I'm so excited. So not only am I going to have full 360 aero, but I'm going to have a giant wing to go with it. And this car is going to look and sound exactly like a race car. And that was just one of my dreams like going into this, was get a crazy car that I absolutely love to death, which Porsches are definitely there. They're made for track already, but then let's just go ahead and make it more of like actually like track focused. Alright, so now I pretty much just got everything ready to do the oil change, so I'm just going to go ahead and knock that out. I'm not going to make you guys sit through a whole thing again since there is another video on that. So here's pretty much like a time lapse of me changing the oil in my 981S. Alright, so one of the big things that's different about this car compared to others, obviously the engine's in the back, well, it's in the middle of the car, so underneath this big box. But it just feels so weird opening up the trunk, or the hatch, and dumping the oil into the trunk instead of like in an engine bay. But I mean, technically it kind of is, but kind of isn't, so it's kind of cool. Alright, so I just got the oil change done and everything, so now I'm just going to take it out for a little test drive, make sure everything is good to go, make sure all the seals are good, and obviously because the car just sounds amazing, so that's actually one of my friends, Instagram right here. He was just here having some stickers put on the side of his car, like a big 210 down each side, and chrome silver. It looks absolutely amazing, but that was probably about a mile away, and his car is so loud and sounds so good. So yeah, definitely go check him out. And since we're here in the engine, everything's pretty much cold, we're going to get a cold start on a 2014 Porsche Cayman S 981 with crazy custom one-of-a-kind exhaust. So here it is. Right now everything looks pretty good. good. Oil pressure looks good. I kind of changed it a little bit early just because it's always good to do it early than late. And especially like if you're driving a lot or just driving it hard, it's always better to do it a little bit before when it needs it. So the car actually does feel a lot better. It feels smoother now. So I'm so glad I changed it when I did. Gosh, I just love the burbles that I have. Listen to this. It just sounds so cool. The way this thing sounds, just absolutely amazing. There's a lot of pops and crackles. Ooh, that was a good one. Yeah, I just absolutely cannot get enough of this car. Like, it's so fun and just so amazing. Like, and then the way it sounds is just incredible. Like, so unreal. Like, just listen to this. Like, you can't make this stuff up. Like, it's just so awesome. All right, so officially, the giant wing for this car is on its way right now. I pretty much just got an email notification that everything's good and it's on its way, so I'm super excited. I cannot wait until it comes in, and Mad Matt, who, if you don't already know, did all the crazy aero on this car, is going to do the chassis mounted wing. It's going to be absolutely insane. I'm so excited for it. So pretty much right about there on each side is where it's going to come out, up, and then have the giant wing go across the top. But like I said, I'm super excited to see that, and I just cannot wait until it's like officially on and everything's good to go. It's going to be the coolest thing ever. I mean, the car already is insane, so just imagine like a wing that's over 70 inches going across the top of this thing. It's going to be the coolest thing ever. And in the last video, I did a walk around of the car, but it was in the garage with the aero. So here it is out in the actual sunlight where you can see the new side skirts and front splitter that Mad Matt did for the car. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely go down, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, and just obviously to continue to see the progress on my Cayman S, like especially the new giant wing coming soon, definitely go down, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every single time one of my videos comes out. But if you guys have any other comments or suggestions or anything, just put it down in the comments below. I read and respond to every single one, so definitely pretty much voice your opinion. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.